Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next product to tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is a COOFANDY trench slash peacoat overcoat. It is a heavy duty, warm wool blend coat, and it is absolutely beautiful. So normally when you think about COOFANDY, they make a lot of summer clothes. I have a bunch of different shorts and shirts from COOFANDY, but they actually also make some winter clothes. This is a beautiful looking coat. As you can see, it's kind of an overcoat slash, again, kind of a pea coat. It's a very stylish sort of a coat. It is. Let me move back a little bit here. It's about 3/4 cut down. I'm about 6 foot tall, so it goes right down to about the above my knee sort of a coat, and you can see it is beautiful. It kind of closes very well. Let's talk about some features. First of all, let's talk about the collar. It's a notched collar, and it looks really, really nice. As you can see, it's just a nice cut. I like it. You can see also, this is the brown plaid. It's a beautiful soft fabric, and it kind of has that plaid look to it there. It does come in a bunch of different colors as well. This is obviously buttons. I have a button here, 2 buttons here. Oh, by the way, pockets. Here you go. There is an interior pocket right there. Standard size interior pocket on both sides. There you go. And there's also pockets on the side here for hands. And you can see they're not too deep on the outside. The inside pockets are actually nice and good size. But you can see it's a beautiful coat. It just feels good. It looks good. It really, really fits well. You do want to check your sizing. Now, one thing that I often do with winter coats, just so you know, is I often size up a little bit because I know that in the wintertime I'm wearing multiple heavy layers. Sometimes I'm wearing sweaters, sometimes we wear a suit jacket over beneath it. So this is an XXL. I am 6 foot something, about 6 foot or so. This is an XXL, so it fits well. But if I was wearing a sweater and a jacket underneath it, it might be a little snug. So you might want to go ahead and just double check your sizing, make sure it's good. This is a hand wash only item. Most items from COOFANDY are machine wash. This is actually a hand wash only item because it is such a nice item. Again, it's heavy duty. It is nice and warm. Again, wool blend. You can see all the specs in the actual Amazon listing, but it just feels really good. It looks good. It's classy, as you can see, and it's definitely warm. I am warm just standing here talking to you, and as I wear it, it'll keep warm. It's one of those coats that you wear for a nice, usable, heavy winter coat that will keep you warm and looking stylish at the same time. As you can see, it's just really, really very flattering, actually. It just looks good. I really, really like it. Again, COOFANDY makes a lot of good stuff. I have a bunch of their things. It may come vacuum packed. So again, you just kind of open it up, let it sit on the a hanger for a little bit, kind of let it stretch itself out, and it'll be fine. This was just that. I haven't done anything with it. I haven't steamed it, haven't ironed it or anything. I just basically took it out, put it on a hanger for a couple days, and there we go. And it looks really great. So yeah, COOFANDY. This is their wool blend overcoat, trench coat, peak coat, whatever you want to call it. It's called different things, but it is really, really nice. It's very, very warm, and you can see this is the brown plaid again. It looks great, and it's highly recommended.